we coming on one of my favorite cars, and right here, the Mazda RX-7. I love this car so much. I love this car so much. I'm gonna give me one. I don't care if I'm 6'7.5". I'm still find a way to fit in it. But this is one of my favorite cars of all time. All right, here's another one. Oh my God. Canards on diffuser. Carbon, well, splitter, I'm sorry. And then carbon fibered out a little bit on the inside. Got, as you see, this is an engine swap. Exactly. You see that?
That's an RB. That's an RB.
You see, Skyline engine, but this is the S14. No, not S14. This is S14. So, Skyline engine in an S14. All right, another one. Shout out to Connor, man. Here you go, one for you. Red M3 E92. It's not quite as special as yours, but with the red E3 M92 right here, they got it lowered, real nice. This one, I don't know if it's the same as yours, kind of, but I like yours better because, you know, the grrr and so, yeah. I don't know if it's a V8 or a V6, so that's the only thing. Sim thinks it's a V8. I don't know. I say it's a V6 because I got your back, kind of.
But the BMW's been like 6 though.
So yeah, he say V8, I say V6. But yours is better, Connor. Shout out to you, man. Now look at this. Now this is a special type of Hellcat right here. It's a wide body kit, but look at the back. You don't see the exhaust? Exhaust is right there on the side. And then the other exhaust is on this side too. And then as you see, orange and black color scheme.
This is some big wheels with some small brakes.
Rainbow brakes.
Small ass brakes.
Yeah, they are small brakes, as you see how small the brakes are for the back wheel. So I'm guessing this car either is all muscle and you can't stop, or it's just a show car, one or two. But it's a Hellcat, so it's still got some power in here. And as you see, look at this. Look at that engine. So I take that back. It got a monster under the hood. So
That's good.
All right. Now we're inside for the good stuff. I told Sim to come in, but Sim don't listen. As you see, Sim walked away. Mustang. We got the Lexus. Yeah, Sim's fault we stayed outside too long. So look at that man right there. Yeah, that's him. All his fault. A Dragster Subaru. And Godzilla. Godzilla. The GTR. Titanium pipes. Y'all can barely hear me, but they jamming in here right now. We got the Toyota Supra right here. It's a winter wonderland in here. Take a look in the interior. Another right drive Japanese. They about to do some rev matching.
It's so much better inside. The lighting and everything is so much better.
It's a lot of cars. It's a lot of nice cars in here. We should have been in here from the beginning, but no, Sim would be like,
Yo, we can stay 2 hours here now.
we got a lot of like the G37 right here, or G35 I should say. Look at Voss's. Side skirts, carbon fiber side skirts. This is nice. This is nice. Now this is a pimp mobile, it look like. Another E46 with that convertible and half a roll cage. This one is nice. Having a dance contest, so look at this.
Bring it out, come on.
Yeah, here we go. Second round of the battle. Second round of the battle. 2 rounds each. Everyone know what the round is going.
Alright, enough of that. We're supposed to be looking at the cars, so here. We got another one. And this is a classic Celica. I think that's the GT86 next to you right there. Now this is a classic. This is nice. A Celica. Well, we're back outside. It's cold and windy again. Just looking around to see what else is new. But as you see, more outside. It was a pretty decent size and a great turnout today for this. Winterfest was definitely a blast. Sim, I call this a success, man. How about you?
Right.
He's just being hard.
This song, I heard the Dragon Ball Z remix.
Oh my God, it's Dragon Ball Z. But
All my friends are dead. Wishing back I said.
So it is really a blast out here. It was a jam. It was a nice turnout. You know, this is, just gotta make sure we gotta keep doing this on the regular. So, but other than that, I'm hungry. It's cold.
My nipples are hard.
Yeah, his nipples are hard. And yeah, man, all I can say is this is a great success. Now, should we break the news?
Oh, I think we should use this camera.
All right, we're gonna break the news on the outro, but everything right now, you see the tents that wasn't set up earlier, they got it set up now. Dragon Ball Z, wish you back to life. Everybody's dead.
All my friends are dead.
Wish him back, he said. All his friends are dead. Dragon Ball Z, this is how we do. Out here in the fairgrounds. We just being quick. What he said. Yeah. What? In the name of Jesus. What? Our mission as of today, we want to give a big shout out to Tyler and Taylor. And congratulate them. The big secret was announced that they are engaged. They're going to get married. So congratulations to them and forever happiness. And we may film their wedding, do something crazy, crash it. You know, that's what we do. His brothers, so we got to do that for him. So everybody, hit the like, subscribe button. Go ahead, give your comments to Tyler and Taylor. Congratulate them. They on a big major step on their wedding. So shout out to them. Nothing but love and forever peace for them. And today was a success. We saw beautiful cars out here on this gloomy day. Florida turned into Canada for the day. So other than that, Sim, anything you got to say back there?
Congratulations, guys.
So other than that, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe. And again, thank you for watching our channel and our show for today. And peace.
All right.
Okay.
Because most of the really good questions.
We got to get some outtakes. Today was a success. High five, Sim. High five, Sim. Oh, come on. He's just mad because he's 5'4". Oh yeah, shout out to Shalmar Emerson. Shalmar, I'm sorry I couldn't work with you, midget man. I mean small man. I mean short man.
Mini man.
Mini man. Yeah, my fault, man. Shout out to you, man. You know I could have worked out with you, but I got to do this for the people. So, you know, we leave.